Alright, what's up DTF anglers, and welcome to another episode. Beautiful day to catch some walleyes. Today we're in Green Bay and we're going to be hopefully hooking into some big old walleyes. I came here last time, caught a couple of nice 12-13 inchers. Wasn't recording because last time was my first time here. I didn't think I was going to catch anything, but I'm hoping to catch some today. So stay tuned you guys, and we're going to get on the spot and hopefully we can catch some. Woo, let's get it. Alright guys, what's up? Just got done setting up. Today we're running with the walleye rod, obviously, by Basskhang. Beautiful, beautiful rod series. Like I said in my other video, some of my most favorite series. But today we're going to be using these 7mm, if it would focus on this instead, 7mm tungstens. These are beautiful for walleye, running 6-pound fluoro. I don't want to snap off on the big one, so we're going to run that with some wax worms. There's a bit of a current, so see my fish finder over there while my line gets pushed over there by the current. So what I'm basically doing is I'm flicking my rod like this, just a flick of the rod, and what is it? The rod is just, not the rod. The jig flicking is just gonna bring the fish in, and when they come in, that's when we'll slow it down. But then I'll kind of show you guys what I do. I got a jigging wrap here. It's like a green UV jigging wrap. I don't know if you guys can see it from that far. All right, we'll drop her down. If you guys are wondering, this is my short walleye rod, my 28-inch. Oh, we got one right under me. Whoa, we got one right above me too. Oh, he's coming for me. There we go, come on. There we go. Oh, there we are. We got one. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's a white fish, dude. No. Why are you following me, man? Dang it. Alrighty. Well, first fish of the day is not the one I wanted. The dang whitefish. We're gonna let this guy go though, so. Dang it, man. Stop following me. Ah! Oh, there we go. See ya. Boy, that was not what I wanted. Ooh, I got something on me. Oh, man. Didn't even realize I stopped recording, but there we go. Hopefully I got that hook set. That's a walleye right there. First walleye of the night. I think the bite might just be starting to turn on. Oh, come here, buddy. Ooh, these suckers are strong, man, I tell you. They're nothing but muscle. Gotta be careful here. Oh boy. First walleye of the day. Let's get more, boys and girls. Woo! Nice release on here. There we go. Oh, here we go. Oh, we got another one on me. Oh, we got him. Here we are. Oh, jeez, took me forever. Oh. Oh, boy. Oh. Gosh, damn. Finally. Second one. Looks like my camera died. I need to change the battery, but second one of the day, we're going to release her. Wow, there we go. Oh boy. Another little walleye. Oh, little guy. Another little guy. Oh, just a jig and wrap fight, boys. They're not taking the tungsten today. I've used tungsten probably a couple times already, but they don't care. Just a little guy. Put him back. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a night for tonight. I'll be back here tomorrow night as well. Just do that, you know, weekday kind of just 2-part or 2-day video. Just because I do work, so yeah. So I'll see you guys back here tomorrow after work. Yo! What's up, you guys? Day 2, and hopefully today's the day where we can land in a big mama. So let's get on the spot once again, and hopefully we can try to land some more walleyes. Alright guys, I don't know what the heck happened to my camera. I just caught a fish and then I don't know what happened. So we'll have to catch another one for the camera. I also did my little intro, but we're using a red and chrome jigging wrap today with some wax worms. It's not going to focus, but that's what we're using today. Oh, something's on my rod right now. There we are. Oh yeah, another nice walleye. Oh, right. Little guy, little guy. On that jigging wrap right there. Hey, relax, relax. Right on that jigging wrap right there. Hey, relax, man. Look at that, right there. Okay. We're good. There we go. Man, these walleyes are aggressive today. Like I said, I just caught 2 within like 20 minutes. Oh, we got something coming up. Oh, no, it's not coming up. It's just down there. There we are. Oh. Boy, these guys are so small. Where are the big daddies? We'll let this guy go. Third one of the day. Woo. There we are. Oh boy. That guy seems aggressive. Oh, this guy seems a little bit bigger. Oh boy. Yeah, he's a little bit bigger. Just a bit. Oh. Once again, look at that. The jigging wrap is doing the work. Not a bad one. Probably my biggest one so far, but yeah. Let this guy go. Alrighty. That was a fail. There we go. Woo! What's up, you guys? I'm back home. Oh, tonight was a struggle after it started getting a little bit darker, but you know, I mean, I caught a good fair amount of walleyes, not gonna lie. But hopefully you guys enjoyed these last 2 days of just this, you know, nice collage. You know, like I said, I do that on the weekdays because I gotta work. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it though. And if you guys did, I want you guys to hit the subscribe button if you guys are new. And for those who already been subscribed, I thank you guys a lot, and I thank you guys so much. And that's why I'm still doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, but I'm still working that as well. I'm doing giveaways not because I'm always trying to gain subscribers, you guys. That's a nice perk of it. But I'm doing it because I really, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart, that I really do appreciate you guys supporting me while I'm doing this YouTube channel. You know, it's not easy, you know, you have to really dedicate a lot of time into this. So I thank you guys a lot, and I thank you guys so much.
If you guys enjoyed today's episode, hit the thumbs up, you guys. Subscribe, like, share, all that stuff. And as always, no matter what, you guys, always be down to fish. Let's get it.